Hi there, this is the physical installation video for the STEM audio control. Now, this is super straightforward and simple, but we'll still walk you through it. The first step, like anything else, is decide where you want to put the controller. So decide on a location in your room, maybe on your tabletop or in a credenza. Once you've found that location, decide whether you want the device to be standing up straight at 65 degrees or down on its side at 45 degrees. And whatever that is, don't worry, the screen will self-adjust and rotate to the appropriate angle. Once that is done, now you're ready to actually plug it in. So find the RJ45 connector on the bottom, pull in that Ethernet cable, and make sure that Ethernet jack supports a PoE plus for your power. That's also going to be your data. Once that's plugged in, you'll see the controller will actually be booting up. So just wait for it to finish booting up. And when it's done, you should find yourself at our home screen. Unlike a tablet or whatnot, if there's an update or an outage or anything of that sort, it will always default to the STEM audio ecosystem and not some funky operating system window that your user is not going to really know what to do with. That's it. Your control is up and running. It's located, it's powered, it's working. At this point, I recommend you refer to video 2.6 that talks a little bit more about the features and different things that you can do within the ecosystem. But as promised, very simple, very straightforward. Thank you so much for watching the physical installation video for the STEM audio control.